Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss another organic chemistry problem. An organic compound A which has a molecular formula C7H8O. On oxidation with lead nitrate it gives B which has a bitter almond smell. A when react with red phosphorus Hi it reduces and it gives hydrocarbon C. We have to find out A, B, C and all the reactions. Since compound B has bitter almond smell, so compound B is benzaldehyde. We are getting benzaldehyde due to oxidation of compound A which has molecular formula C7H8O. That means compound A is benzyl alcohol. When benzyl alcohol is treated with red phosphorus Hi, this CH2OH converts to CH3. So we get a hydrocarbon C, that is toluene. So final answer is compound A is benzyl alcohol, compound B benzaldehyde and compound C is toluene.